We have seen asynchronous communication with the microservice. But what if a microservice needs a response from another microservice and it cannot wait? That will be asynchronous communication. In order to see that in action, we will create a scenario in our shopping cart API. We have the cart API controller. When a user hits the checkout button, what we are doing is we are posting a message for the service bus. But before we do that, let's say we want to make sure that the coupon code that they entered is still valid and they are getting the same discount. It can be possible that the coupon code was updated and now the discount is less or more. Before we push our message for the final order processing. For that, we will have to implement a coupon repository inside our cart API in order to get all of the coupon details for the used coupon code. So let me stop the application. Let me go to the Azure Service Bus Consumer, remove the debugging point, and close all the other open files. Next task that we have to do is make sure we set the startup project to all the project. So multiple startup project, and this time we will also have to add the order API in there. Let's apply this. Then from our shopping cart API, we will have to call the coupon API. So we will require the URL of the coupon API that we have inside the front end web project app settings. We have the coupon API. We will copy this and open up the app settings of the shopping cart API. Here we can create a section for service URLs and we will paste the coupon API in there. Let me save this, and now we need to add two more repositories. We'll first implement the iCoupon repository interface. We will make this a public interface and it will have just one method which will return a coupon DTO. We do not have that here, so let's add that DTO as well. Let's go to the coupon API. Inside models, we have coupon DTO. We can just copy that because it will be exactly the same. Inside DTOs of our shopping cart, we will paste that and we need to change the namespace. So let me open any other DTO, copy that, and paste it for our coupon DTO. So here the return type will be coupon DTO, and we need to give it a name. We will call the method getCoupon. Here, based on the coupon name, we will retrieve the coupon object. So this looks good. Let's implement this interface. We will do that. And we will add the implementation in coupon repository. We will implement the iCoupon repository. Let's complete this implementation in the next video.